We are fixing the annoying issue where your downloads and updates completely stop the moment your computer enters sleep mode. For the first step, let us move your mouse cursor directly to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in Settings. Click on the Settings app when it appears. Once you are inside the main settings window, look for the option labeled System and click on it. From there, you need to click on Power, and then look for the section that says Screen and Sleep. You will see two drop-down menu options here. We are going to change both of these options. Click on each drop-down menu, scroll down to the very bottom, and select Never for both of them. Now, that goes both ways. The important thing is to understand the trade-off here. By setting these to Never, your screen will stay turned on constantly, and your computer will not go to sleep automatically anymore. This allows your files to download without interruption, but you lose your power savings, and your computer will consume a lot more electricity while you are away. For the next step, we need to adjust your advanced power configuration. Move your mouse back over to the search bar and type in Edit Power Plan. Click on that option immediately. Once the window opens, look at the top navigation path and click directly on Power Options. Look at whichever power plan you currently have selected with a bullet point, and then click on Change Plan Settings right next to it. Just like before, you want to make sure that both of these drop-down options are also set to Never. After you do that, look right below those options and click on Change Advanced Power Settings. A small new window will pop up on your screen. Inside this box, find the text that says Hard Disk and click the small plus sign to expand it. Then expand the setting underneath that which says Turn off hard disk after. Now, once you are on this input box, you have to think about how long your specific download or update is going to take. For example, if you think your file will take 6 hours to finish downloading, you want to multiply 60 minutes by 6, which equals 360. In my case, let us say the download will take about 3 hours. We do 60 multiplied by 3, which is 180. Type 180 directly into the minutes box and then click on Apply and hit OK. Once you complete everything in this video, your network adapter and hard drive will stay fully active, and you can successfully continue your download or your update through the night. Just remember that once your download has finished, you should definitely back out of these menus and revert all the settings back to their original times so you do not waste power or damage your display. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.